So Henry, what do you think of your transplant?
It's good. Excellent. Excellent. I like it.
When did your hair begin to grow back? This is now 10 months post-transplant.
I think around 4-5 months.
4-5 months? Okay. Good morning. Today we're going to present Henry. He's 50 years old and had a hair transplant with us in December of 2019. It was the FUE, follicular unit excision, 2,500 grafts. This is what he looked like pre-op. So you can see he had a Norwood 3 pattern. And today he comes back 10 months later in October, and I want to point out the results. Can you turn it that way? Look straight. Look straight. Yeah. Look straight. And look the other way. To your left. You can see that the transplanted hair merges imperceptibly into the natural hair. So Henry, what do you think of your transplant?
It's good. Excellent. Excellent. I like it.
When did your hair begin to grow back? This is now 10 months post-transplant.
I think around 4-5 months.
4-5 months? Okay. Yeah. And you like the hairline?
Yeah.
Have you had comments back from the family, friends?
Yeah, look much younger. Yeah.
Are you glad you did the transplant?
Yes.
To anybody out there thinking of doing a transplant, what would you tell them?
Yes, excellent. I recommend. Highly recommend. Yeah.
Any other comments for us?
Thank you. Yes, you did a great job. Yeah, very good post-surgery support.